Yeah, it was great. It was very entertaining. Kids seemed to really enjoy it. It was really fun.
I haven't seen that before. And with the Jurassic Park and stuff that's coming as well, and all the dinosaurs in Liverpool 1 and stuff, it was good and everyone was excited, and you delivered as well. The disco at the end.
Yeah.
God. And then lovely, and the roasties, the food. That was nice as well. No, it was brilliant. It was. And educational as well for the kids about the scientific side of it as well.
Enjoyed that you could interact with them at the disco, and I thought I learned quite a bit of information from the show too.